Most people have an idea for an app, a side hustle, a small business, a tool that would make their own life easier. And about 99% of them never build it. The reason is almost always the same. They don't know how to code. That excuse just stopped working. There is a tool called Lovable, and in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to use it to build 3 things from scratch. A real working app, a pitch deck I could send to anyone tomorrow, and the marketing to launch it. No code, no design skills, no spending $1 to get started. Just typing in plain English what I want. I know exactly what you're thinking. This is going to be one of those videos where they show some half-baked demo and the real thing is way too hard. I thought the same thing the first time I tried it. By the end of this video, you will see what Lovable can actually do, what it can't, and whether you should be opening it tonight. Really quickly, Lovable is a website. You go to lovable.dev, you don't install anything. You don't need a credit card to try it. Instead of writing code, you just describe what you want and it builds it. Websites, apps, dashboards, anything that can run in a browser. You type a sentence, a few minutes later, you have a working thing. That's the whole pitch. Okay, 3 demos. Let me show you what it can actually do. Starting with number 1, building the app. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build a habit tracker. You know the idea. A little app that helps you remember to drink water. Do your stretches, read for 10 minutes a day. Simple, useful. The kind of thing your friend would actually open every morning. Now normally if I wanted to make this myself, I would have to learn to code for months, or pay someone thousands of dollars, or wrestle with some drag and drop builder that always end up looking like it was made in 2008. With Lovable, I open the chat box and I just type one sentence. Build me a habit tracker where I can add daily habits, check them off and see my streak. That's the whole prompt. I'm not joking. I hit enter. Lovable starts building. It writes the code, it designs the layout, it builds the button. About 3 minutes later, I have a real app. Not a screenshot, not a markup, a working app I can actually use right now on my phone. And here's the part that really got me. When I want to change something, I don't start over. I just tell it, make the background light blue. It does it. Add a button so I can share my streak with friends. Done. Show me my best streaks of all time at the bottom. Boom, there. It's like having a developer sitting next to you who never gets tired and never gets annoyed when you change your mind. This one is best for anyone who's been carrying an idea around in their head for a year and never knew where to start. Number 2, the pitch deck. I've got an app. Cool. But maybe I want to show it to someone, a friend, my partner, a small business owner I want to collaborate with. Eventually, maybe even an investor. For that, I need a pitch deck. Slides that explain what my idea is, who it is for, and why anyone should care. The whole way to do this, open PowerPoint, fight with templates for an hour, write every word from scratch, hunt for stock images, line everything up. It's miserable. Honestly, it's the part where most people just give up. With Lovable, I type, build me a 1-page pitch site for my habit tracker app. Include the problem I'm solving, who it is for, how it works, what makes it different, and a button at the bottom for people to try it. About a minute later, I had a real pitch site, clean design, actual content written about my app, not some generic template, sections that follow into each other naturally. I would have spent a whole Saturday afternoon making this in PowerPoint, and honestly it would not have looked this good. Then I asked to change the colors to match my app. 10 seconds, I asked it to add a little section about how I plan to make money. Done. I asked it to add my email at the bottom so people could reach me. Done. This one is best for anyone who needs to explain an idea to someone else and doesn't want to die inside formatting slides. Quick thing, if you're enjoying this and you're starting to think, wait, I could actually use this, take a second and subscribe. I make videos every week about a new AI tool that's quietly changing what regular people can build. It really helps the channel. Okay, back to it. Number 3, the marketing. So I have got my app, I've got my pitch. The last piece is, how do I actually tell the world about it? I need a landing page so people can find it online, a few social media posts so I can share it, maybe a launch email I can send to friends and family. This is the part where most people get really stuck. Writing about your own idea is really hard. Designing a landing page that doesn't look like trash is hard. Coming up with social posts that doesn't sound like a robot wrote them is hard. With Lovable, I type, build me a landing page for my habit tracker app. And while you're at it, write me 3 social media posts and 1 launch email I can send out. A minute later, a real landing page. Headline, hero section, features explained. A big button to sign up. The 3 social posts actually sounded like a person wrote them. The launch email I could literally copy, paste and send tonight. And here's the best part. Lovable already knows what my app does because it built the app with me. So none of this is generic AI fluff. The social post mention features I actually built. The landing page shows screenshots of my real app. The email talks about my idea, not some made up product. This one is best for anyone who has ever started at a blank page trying to write about something they made and just felt totally lost. Now, those are the 3 things I built, but here are the 2 quick tricks that make Lovable go from useful to actually magical. First, you can just talk to it like a person. Anytime you don't like something, you don't start over. You don't open a manual. You just type, I don't love how this looks. Try a different style or make this section more friendly, and it updates. It is a conversation, not a one-shot. Second, when you're done, you publish in 1 click. Lovable gives your app a real link you can send to anyone, a friend, your mom, your customer. They open it on their phone or their laptop and it just works. No app store, no hosting setup, no tech headaches. 1 button, real link, real product. So that's it. In about 15 minutes, I built a working app, a pitch deck, and marketing to launch it, all in Lovable, all by typing sentence in plain English, no code anywhere. I want to be real with you for a second. Lovable isn't going to replace real engineers for huge, complicated products. It's not magic. But for a side project, a first version of an idea, a school assignment, a small business, a Christmas gift app for your nephew, a tool for your book club, for almost anything a regular person would ever actually want to build, it is genuinely incredible. I would have spent weeks doing what just took me 15 minutes. Your task? Pick the one idea that's been sitting in the back of your head. The one you keep saying, one day I'll build that. Open Lovable tonight, type a sentence, see what happens. You don't need to be technical. You don't need experience. You don't need permission. You just need to try. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I'm doing the same kind of breakdown on every AI tool worth your time. Once a week, I'll see you in the next one.